In this video, I'll show you how to connect a USB flash drive to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, this is a USB flash drive which has both the USB-C end and the traditional USB. Now, if you have one of these, then you're in luck. All you have to do is simply plug in the USB-C end into your USB-C charging port on your Tecno phone. And momentarily, it should be detected and you should see the notification at the top here. And you can either tap on this to open the contents of that flash drive, or you can go into the file manager and simply tap on OTG to be able to access to access the contents of that particular drive. So you can tap on any document and select it, and you can select either copy or move and move it to another location, whether it's the internal storage of this phone or any other location. You can also move stuff from the phone itself into this particular drive. Now if you have the traditional USB-A, then all you need to do is get an adapter like this one, which is an OTG, USB-C OTG adapter, which has the USB-C male end and the traditional USB female port on the other side. So all you have to do is simply insert the flash drive into this side like that, and then plug in the USB-C end into the charging port of your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Again, wait for the notification or wait for the drive to be detected. Now you can tap on this and then select how you want to open the files, and now you can be able to also access the contents, and you can now transfer files to and from the flash drive to the phone or to and from the flash drive at will. And that's basically how to connect a USB flash drive to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Once you're done with it, you can simply swipe down to reveal the notification and simply tap on eject, and it's going to be safely ejected. And now you can plug it out, then plug it out from this, and that's it. Take care and God bless.